Hey guys, welcome. This will be one of those videos that I won't do a lot of edits in because I'm just going to chit chat. We're just going to have some talk and just to give you an update of what has been happening since 2024. So most of you would have known, if you go and look at my previous videos, 2024 October, like between September to December, I had some changes, some sudden pop up in my life. One, work. They said they weren't confirming me into a position I was acting in for 2 years. And two, also, my landlord sold the house and I had to find somewhere the next month. No, I just want to come to you guys and tell you, redirection is important, and every no you get in life is important. And since that time, the most of my friends would have said, you have to go down in a valley if you can take you back, redirection, repurpose, and all of that. And I do believe. And you have to pray and have faith. Don't go doubt God. Whatever struggle you're going through right now, take it from me. It's for a reason. I have been through it since a couple of years where I wanted something, but God wasn't allowing it to happen. And I realized that God was just preparing me. And that is why one of my favorite quotes, I keep mentioning it. God is not preparing the blessing for you, He's preparing you for the blessing. So whatever you're going through, just hold on. And just to give you a backtrack of what has happened since. So when I started 2025, I tell myself that one, I have to leave that company of 12 years, and two, I have to find another source of income in the event something else like that should happen to me. Me not going into depression. And I can tell you, if you guys have followed me, you can look on one of the videos I posted recently. I started a gift business in January. I created the name Empty Shelves, and I started buying products, and I just started a gift business. And you have to have a why as well. All right, anything you're doing, don't just start because of trend. Don't just start because your friends or family started have a business like it. Don't start because you feel like I have quick money. Start because you might have a passion for it, or if you don't have a passion, you might fall in love in it. All right, so take that as what should I say, take that as a suggestion when you're starting. All right, so I started this business in January, create the name and everything, started buying some stuff. In February, my family supported this business so much. My family is my greatest, I can tell you, family and friends, they always say don't support a business, but mine, if you follow my family and friend, my customer, them not get nothing to buy. Them just want to see something and buy. And then I started using those profit and money to buy back more stuff. And then in May, I did our Teachers Day promotion where I posted some $2,000 packages that was sold out. I got into, I left the company as well in April. I went on vacation and God worked out everything. So I left that company in April and I started another company in May. And that company had to be a part of my journey because I would say 12 years ago I applied for it and my former company, but it's just that my former company called me first. So sometime, I tell you now, God has purpose for you and He's preparing you all years before for something bigger. All right, so when I started this company now, I start promote more my business and start getting more orders and stuff I give because I do birthday, baby shower, male, female, boys, girls, all type of gift. It end up that summer come now and I decided I'm going to do some back to school boxes. So I buy some back to school boxes and so some stuff we make back to school boxes. And then would you know that? So I know I'm gonna get one sale for them. I keep getting birthday orders, I keep getting wedding orders, I keep getting other orders, but the back to school, oh no. Something keep telling me to give them away and me not obey. And I saw me have them, and I saw me I get the other order them. And one Sunday me get up and God, sometimes I prepare, you know, you don't even know, you know. So I remember I ordered some bags off Amazon, those mailer bags with the little seal on it. Me never have a purpose for it, but it look like God did prepare me for buy them, for put the stuff them, you know. So the Sunday me get up and say, you know what, God, seeing that me now listen to you, me go listen to you now. And the Sunday me sit down, me go live on my TikTok page and me pack 99 because one of the bag them spoil. 99 back to school giveaway bags. Me send them go Portland, to one charity, Mini Miss Portland, me send go Westmoreland, me send go Hanover, some in Kingston, me give church. And I can tell you, that was the best accomplishment I had in 2025. The feeling that it gave me, I can tell you, it's an awesome feeling. And it also showed that you have to obey God. You have to obey God. Obey God in whatever you're doing and have faith, because He might prepare you. When me do the live, them I say, Renee, God I got double it and this and that. But me just do it, no vexation, and it warmed my heart, giving back. After me do all of that, me still I get birthday orders, me still I get other gift orders and so, farewell orders, and then the Christmas season I come up. In December now, me go take myself and order some box, some Christmas theme box. 31 box me did get. And me do up the boxes them also, and do $1,000 Christmas. Me do $1,000 Christmas sale where me pack some stuff, nice stuff for Christmas. So if you go on my TikTok page, you will see it. When I did that, Jesus, me pack 31 box and post the video. You know, by the Monday morning, when me reach work, all of them they done. Me have to order back some more boxes, quick. Me have to order back some more boxes, quick, so that me can get them for Christmas. But when me realize now, say them not gonna reach in time, me have to source locally now. Some of the products them they done, and me have to just source locally. It end up that me find local people where me could get box, and I saw me get some box. I pack 70 yard, me get orders from corporate, and I go work 9 to 5. I go me reach work 8:30. I go on my bed 3 o'clock. I do my business. Wake up by 6 o'clock for reach work. And this me I telling you guys, if you want good, your nose have to run. If you want good, your nose have to run. I am saying this and doing this video to motivate someone out there that feel like they are giving up, like everything bad happened to them. No. It'll build you stronger. All right, anything you go through now is building you for something bigger. When we see the others them are coming for Christmas, me say, God, it must be you. I remember when I obey me in August and give away the something them, and when the person them I say Renee, I go double and triple. And I can tell you, so 2025 really started rocky, but it ended up being an awesome year for me. It has been an awesome year. So please guys, whatever you're going through, I wish you just sit down, pray, ask God to give you the guidance. If you don't understand what you want to do, go on ChatGPT and tell it what you love to, and ask it to give you some ideas of what you think you want to do. May this be a motivation for you to start. Just start. I say it in all of my videos, just start. All right? God is awesome. Pray, trust Him. And sometimes don't hate the people that tell you no, because those people, God will use them for you to get up and move. If you're comfortable, you're not going to grow. All right? So enjoy. Happy New Year and have a prosperous one. Thank you.